When you have tens or hundreds of terabytes of shared disk storage, conventional backup software doesn't work. There is never enough time to make a full backup, and restoring hundreds of incremental backups is unreliable. This is where XenData FS Mirror and Cloud File Gateway software excel. They both run on the same Windows server. The Cloud File Gateway stores files in the cloud on cost-effective object storage and makes them instantly available as a standard Windows file share or as a local logical disk volume. The FS Mirror software synchronizes one or more accessible source file systems with the clone file system that you create on the Cloud File Gateway. Data integrity is assured by using end-to-end checksum verification. FS Mirror not only works with shared disk storage, but also provides optimized syncing from XenData LTO and ODA archive file systems. If your source file system becomes temporarily unavailable for some reason, all your content is immediately accessible from the Cloud File Gateway. In case of a serious problem where you need to restore a complete file system, this is no problem. Just use FS Mirror to perform the restore. FS Mirror and XenData Cloud File Gateway provide convenient data protection for high-capacity file systems. For more information, please contact us.